from here. So I bought this, I own this, um, and I'll be holding that for the rest of the year. But it also just looks fucking great anyway. So moving on, Bitcoin. Now I'm not sure what to do with the with the Bitcoins because it looks like it could run up. Now here's the thing. Let's just get this set in. Okay, so right, we have the Monday high here. Okay, Monday high got taken out on Tuesday again, and it's dropped back in. Now look at that daily close, that SFP. But that previous daily close is very, very bullish, and then it swept it, dropped. I'm wondering, is it going to run up, hit that high again? Then we get, which is very hard to determine. Then we get the triple swing high back inside and then into our level, which is where 61 is where I want to build a long position from. It's the back test of this here and the over and under confirmation, and then we're up, right? So I'm holding off. Well, I've got my limit order longs. I'm not sure if it's too early to short with, because I want to get the short into level. Too early to short with the stop of the swing high there, maybe pivoting off this Monday high. I'm not. I'm really not sure about it, so I'm not going to take it. But here's a couple of things that I do like, which I'll share with you. We have, obviously, this is incredibly one-sided. I mean, like incredibly one-sided. Incredibly one-sided. 505,166. Okay, let me post that in the channel for you. Okay. I love how the emotion swings so dramatically within crypto. I'm not talking about the internet, I'm talking about just generally speaking. It's like one red candle is a bear market, one green one is a bull market. It's nuts. Right, let's have a look. Ah, right. Let's have a look. Oh, what happened? Where did they come from? What are they doing up there? How has it done that? Huh? Strange. Did that just pop up just now? Bookmarks bar. Show bookmarks. No. Hmm. I don't know. What happened there then? I'll fix it afterwards. Oh. How do I get rid of this shit? Alright, I'll leave it like that. Fuck it. That'll do. Right. This just came up out of nowhere. Right. So I'm gonna. So I want to short it, but I don't think there's much for me to short just yet. Let me have a look. Let me check Ethereum as well, because there must be something going on. Never closed above. Okay. This might be a better short. Ethereum might be a better short. Short the sell the news event. Fucking which Bitcoin was, in fact. I know people sort of sold it and made money, but they got bounced on instantly, right? But they did short and do all right. Let's go back to it. January the 10th. When does the ETF go live? Ethereum, is it today, tomorrow, this week, sometime? We go back to the 10th of January. It did pull back, didn't it? So the top was the 11th, the day after, and there was the dip. I think we're going to get the same again on Ethereum. What do you guys think? So I'm going to go for short on Ethereum. I don't think much. I'm just thinking. You think it's the 23rd, 5 days away. I like that top though, especially where it ran up and failed, and then broke structure. And I want Bitcoin to pull back anyway. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Fucking righto. Let's go. Okay, fucking bowl 'em, Shane. Got MK7, the Aussie. Shrek Kiwi. Knight Rider Kiwi. Gareth. Are you Aussie? I thought you were New Zealand Shrek. Fucking hell. That was terrible state of affairs. That's way worse. I didn't know. I thought you were Kiwi. Never mind. Uh, what's FNQ mean? Uh, I ain't ever coming to Australia. No chance. Honestly, I can't think of a worse place in the world I'd want to visit other than America. My ex is from there. All the beaches are just like full of fucking idiots, and I just have no interest. I don't even like visiting England, lads, let alone anywhere else with our brothers, which essentially we are, which is Aussies, Canadians, English, basically the same bloodline. Fucking no way is it. I've been to some way better places than Australia could ever be. Anyway, let's get this set up in there. Uh, no way, it's not. Fuck Australia. That was a really nice drop there. Look, yeah, man. Fucking the last place I'd go would be England on holiday. Right, that would be my very last place if I had a choice to go on holiday. Um, if I only had a certain amount of weeks off, then I would not choose England. Now, the same goes for second place would be Australia. Third, um, America. I like Canada actually. Canada's lovely, good people as well. Yeah, I mean, Japan is Japan, Hong Kong, fucking Thailand, all of Asia is better than Australia. Fucking Australia is not even. It's just a fucking hot England. It's a hot England. Right, I don't know. I think I'm going to take this one. Sure. Let's have a look on the CBD just to double check things. Fucking Shrek, I thought you were a Kiwi. I'm gonna have to block you and delete you now. Twitter. Oh, he's gone. No, he ain't gone. He's there still. I thought he quit. Oh, God. uh, no, I'm just kidding. I like Australia. I always did when I was a kid. when we were kids, the only two Australian programs we had were Home and Away and Steve Irwin, and they were so good to watch, man. Oh, just never watched any American programs as a kid, only American movies. And the TV was in my house. We had four channels, and so we would watch Australian and English TV, and it was amazing. I think it was home and away. It was Ramsey Drive or something. Ramsey Street. Ramsey Street. Close slightly above Manone. Yeah, that's not enough though, Gareth. Need more. I needed it on the 7. You see? I needed it on the 7. It didn't close on the 7 and it rejected. So, I'm just looking for a short on, yeah, there probably, but I need to complement it first with this one. Ethereum CBD here. My ear hurts. Oh, fucking hell. Where's it gone? The old high block. Hmm. See the difference there? How can I bring this up on a screen share, motherfuckers? How do I do that? So, okay, let me draw the lines. You've got Ethereum actually is deviated, or rather, diverged. So price action dropped, but it was unable to. Sorry, it was unable to pull the price action lower, but it did pull the CBD lower. Now, Bitcoin is how it should be, which is no divergence. So this one is lower than this one, basic terminology, but I mean, there's no divergence, but there is on Ethereum. Again, then you've got this one, which is pretty fucking strong there. Swept, not at all. So we can negate that one because we're going to go short, and we're going to suggest, because this one is less important, swept the high and dropped off. Okay, here it's pushed in and it hasn't touched that high at all. So there's a big divergence there. So we're going to use that one because it fits my bias. Not really. We're not going to use it because it fits my bias, because you should use the top end one, which is the sweep. Okay, the sweep is the most important. The sweep is the we've isolated the area of price action that we're focusing on, which is we're looking to take a trade based upon this price action, right? Because we've got a sweep here, we come back to here. Yeah, this matters to us, the sweep. Now we want to see what happened in here. Did it diverge? Yes, it did. Okay, it's not about bias or nothing. That was a joke. This is the area of price action we're focused on. So look at the divergence. Yes, okay, good. Short. And then obviously you go back to the 418221. So, excuse me, 2 to 1 on Ethereum. So yeah, probably. I don't know. I want to kind of want to short that, but yeah, I'm going to short that one. That's the one. If it comes off, the risk reward is there. Oh, wrong. If it doesn't, no problem. If it doesn't fill, no problem. So I'm going to short into there, which is last week's high, which often is retested. Now, what's the data on 1, 2, 3, 4 on the weekly open being retested? Now that is data I would like. Okay. Oh, come on. Oh, shut your fucking mouth, twatted. Right, lads, that's the short. I'm just looking at targets. 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 Yeah, I think in the last week's high. So weekly open. I want to see when it, I'm gonna get a quant now to run these numbers and create spreadsheets for me. I want to pay them, okay? Because I want all these numbers. Anyway, thanks for joining. Bye bye. I'll see you in the evening, New York session.